Alrighty, everybody. So this is your virtual microscope lab, so you can still look at prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells just like we are in class. So what I want you to do first is click on Explore, and this is going to take you to the microscope. What I want you to do is click the question mark, and then I want you to start with bacteria slides because bacteria are prokaryotic cells. So you're going to be looking at types of prokaryotic cells that are bacteria organisms. When you click on it, you can click on any of these examples and types of bacteria. I'm going to click on this one. And what you're going to do is it's going to load. And you're not going to see anything at first. You're going to be able, ignore that, to move it around. And then first things first, you're going to click on Core Focus. As you can see, you can start to see some little tiny things. And then you can click Find Focus to make it even clearer. If you can, and if you remember how, I want you to take a screenshot of this so you can attach it to your assignment. I'll attach the screenshot video to this assignment so I can have you watch that if you get stuck. After you do the 4 times magnification, I want you to click on 10. And you can see so many more bacteria organisms now. Each one of these organisms is a cell. And the higher you go in magnification, the better you're going to be able to see these. Also, guys, you're going to have to readjust the coarse and fine focus each time you change the magnification on the microscope. So now here I am at 40, and you can see really well this bacteria. So what you can do now is you can also adjust the light so you can see them against a brighter or darker background. Lastly, if you want to get real crazy, you can look at it magnified times 100. And this one's going to require you to add immersion oil. So this is an oil that protects the slide from being damaged by the microscope. Now this is going to be super clear. So you can literally see the prokaryotic cells here. You can zoom in. And for those of you, you just heard Rosie say hi. She's having a lot of fun trying to get me to play with her right now. When you're done looking at it and you've taken your screenshot, you can click Remove Slide. And it's going to have you use a lens wipe, which are the ones over here on the left, to clean it off. What I want you to do then is look at a eukaryotic cell. So you can click on plant slides because plants are organisms with eukaryotic cells. You can click on animal slides because those are also eukaryotic cells, or you can click on human. If you click on human, there's a bunch of different types of cells. You can click on any of these to explore. And I need you to do at least 1 prokaryotic and 1 eukaryotic for your worksheet and attach screenshots. And once you finish those and you complete your worksheet, you can look at as many other types as you want. And if you have questions, just let me know. Have fun with this, y'all.